Remember to smash that like button, subscribe, and click on the notification bell. That way you don't miss out on these godly videos. Let's go.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hey YouTube, what's going on? This is Ochoa here again. Welcome to another episode of Highly Uncomfortable, where we do uncomfortable things. And for you today, I got Topps Chrome 2020 updated series, and I got another Contenders blaster. And stay tuned, we're gonna also do a separate video and crack open 5 Rookies and Stars longevity boxes. All right, let's start with the Contenders. Alright, pack one. Alright. We got Adrian Peterson, Aaron Jones, Nick Bosa, Christian McCaffrey, Adam Thielen, Travis Kelce, Deshaun Watson, and we got MVP Ezekiel Elliott.
Whatever!
Got Myles Garrett, Sterling Shepard, Mark Ingram, Jared Goff, Russell Wilson, Baker Mayfield, Denard Hopkins, and we got Rookie of the Year, Jeff Okudah. Got Derrick Henry, we got Jamal Adams, Stephon Diggs, Gardner Minshew, James Conner, Amari Cooper, Derek Carr, and we got Rookie of the Year, Joe Burrow. We got Preston Williams, Dwayne Haskins, Devontae Adams, DK Metcalf, Jason Witten, Teddy Bridgewater, Delvin Cook, and we got winning ticket, Drew Brees.
You're mad. No, you're so mad. Stop
Right,
it.
this is our mem card. We got Van Der Esch, Le'Veon Bell, Josh Allen, Phillip Rivers, Ben Roethlisberger, Dak Prescott, and we got T. Higgins. Beautiful. Nice.
It's history.
And this kid is incredible.
And third round numbers, Dalton King and Devin Asasi. Let's go with the Topps Chrome 20 Update Series Baseball. This one, we are autograph and 101 refractors. Let's see what we get. Alright. Alright, pass one. We got Ken Griffey Jr. We got Hank Aaron. Domingo Santana. We got a rookie, Jesus Luzardo, Oakland A's. We got Dario Agrazal. Oh, it's a rookie, actually. Didn't even see that. We got Hunter Pence. Got Todd Frazier. And we got CJ Cron. Alright, we got Kenta Maeda. Ooh, what do we got here? Shogo Okayama rookie card, Decades 2020. Ooh, that's nice.
A liner and Shogo again. Oh
Much about
my, is he
him.
putting on a show?
Nice rookie card. Alex Verdugo. And we got Zach Wheeler. We got Jason Kipnis. Nestor Cortez, rookie. We got Zach Davies. And we got, ooh, I can't even pronounce his name, Diavi Grulan, rookie. Pretty nice. We got Clayton Kershaw. Anthony Rizzo, Cal Ripken, Jose Altuve. Nice. I had a crazy phone. Cameron Maben. Ooh. Decades Next, Nick Swansel. Tino Martinez. Todd Frazier. Alright. Show me our autograph for our 101. I have yet to see it. Rich Hill. Chris Bryant. Ooh, Bo Boucher, rookie. Nice. And Wilmer Flores. All right. All right, stay tuned for the 5-box longevity coming up.